The most recent case we worked with MotionLit on was a case involving a 17-year-old young man who got injured at a trampoline park.
He was playing dodgeball on the trampoline court when he slipped for a ball. His knee went under loose padding and there was a long exposed bolt that went straight into his patella, shattering it.
The biggest defense, the hurdle that we had to overcome, is there was a waiver signed by the child and the parent. And it was a legal fight on that we actually were able to prevail and get the waiver to be kicked out. But with regard to the trampoline itself and the product's liability, they were arguing that their system worked just fine and it would protect the patron. But with the help of MotionLit, we were able to actually debunk that argument by showing all the reasons why that system that they had was very unsafe. And in this case, it absolutely did not work and caused my client to have a significant and serious injury.
We decided to use MotionLit fairly early on in this case when we went into the trampoline park and visually looked at what we were dealing with. We realized, okay, we can't bring this jury in on a field trip to this trampoline park. So right out the gate, when we started putting our pieces together, we realized we're going to need their animation services and their know-how, essentially, to bring that trampoline park into the courtroom for us.
In this day and age when people actually expect this kind of digital animations, it's almost impossible to get the jury to understand the various complexities involved in cases. So I think it's critical that companies like MotionLit are available to us as attorneys, that we can use them and to help win our cases.
We ultimately obtained a 7-figure favorable verdict for our client against both defendants, the trampoline park and the manufacturer, and obtained finally justice for him, because all through the litigation they had either denied any sort of responsibility or had made very tiny offers. What I would tell others about hiring MotionLit is that they give you a sense of comfort and peace of mind, because trials are stressful. There's a lot of details that you cannot overlook, and to have a team take one segment of it away from you and handle it completely from A to Z is exactly what you need.